Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got some sleek new wheel covers to install from our friends over at EVBASE.com that are specifically made for our 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper 19-inch Crossflow wheels. So let's jump right in and do a quick unboxing. All right, so here's the box for our new wheel cover sent to us from our friends over at EVBASE directly to us. So let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. All right, so this is the first of 4 wheel covers that are in here. We went with the matte black spiral style wheel covers. So as you can see here, it's black all around. It's got like this nice flat black texture to it. It feels really high quality, really durable. So I can't wait to get this on the car in just a few moments. These wheel covers are going to replace the factory aero wheel covers that are on the 19-inch Crossflow wheels currently. So we'll go ahead and pop those off and then get these bad boys on in just a second. So let's go. All right, before we get the wheel covers on the car, I just wanted to show you guys all 4 covers laid out before we put them on the car. As you can see, it comes with a couple of different accessories in the box. So that is the foam stripping that we will put on the inner lip of the spiral wheel covers, and that will hopefully try to prevent any like scratching of the OEM Crossflow wheels, and then maybe reduce any sort of like vibration as we're driving along. It comes with these little center caps that will place into the middle of the wheel covers, and then it also comes with a little metal pry tool as well that we'll use to hopefully help get off the original aero wheel covers. So that's just a quick look of all 4 wheel covers. Let's go ahead and put that OEM or that little foam stripping on and then get them on the car. All right, so we have the wheel cover flipped upside down so that way we can try to install this foam stripping along the outer rim of the wheel. So we have our foam stripping here. We'll just remove the backing of it to reveal that double-sided tape. And then we'll just start along the edges and just slowly apply it along the edge of the wheel. All right, there you have it. So we have the foam stripping around the outer edges of that inner lip. So 1 down, 3 more to go. Alrighty, as you can see, we've put that foam stripping on the inner lip of all 4 wheel covers now. So hopefully that will help minimize vibration and prevent any scratching of the wheel covers on our OEM Crossflow wheels. So now that we've got that foam stripping on, let's go ahead and take a look at the OEM wheels and try to pull those covers off so we can replace them. Oh, and by the way, if you're worried about screwing up the application of the foam on your wheel covers, don't worry. This is what I have left after doing 4 sets of those wheel covers, so there's plenty of extra if you mess up and you need to reapply again, so don't worry. Okay, before we go in and install the new spiral covers from EVBASE, I just wanted to show you guys the OEM aero wheel covers for the Crossflow wheels. So as you can see here, those aero covers don't actually go all the way to the rim of those Crossflow wheels. So if you do get a little too close to the curb, you will scratch that OEM wheel. As you'll see in just a second, the spiral wheel covers from EVBASE, they actually cover that lip there, so it gives you a little bit of lip protection in the event that you do get a little too close to the curb and you curb your wheel. So just thought I'd point that out. All right, so this is the moment of truth. This is probably the moment that you guys have been waiting for. We're gonna go ahead and remove these stock aero wheel covers so that way we can put on our new spiral wheel covers from EVBASE. In the box from EVBASE is this metal, I guess, trim removal tool that we could use to pry off the OEM wheel covers. If you have like a plastic trim removal tool, you can also use that. It might be a little bit better because you might minimize the the chance of scratching your OEM wheels. I don't have that, so we'll go ahead and use this tool and remove our stock wheel covers. So in order to do so, all we need to do is get behind this cover right here and pop it off, just like that, just like that. Once you have like the fan piece removed, then we can go ahead and slowly make our way toward the middle and try to pry off the entire wheel cover. Simple as that. So now that's removed, we'll go ahead and put on the new spiral wheel covers. Here's just a quick little up close of the OEM Crossflow wheels without the aero covers on there. So as you can see, and I've actually heard reports that the OEM wheel covers, they kind of scratch the wheel. So as you can see that there's little scratches on the outer rim, and I don't think that'll come off. Oh, maybe it does. Oh no, there's a little scratch there. So it kind of wipes off, but there is still a little nick in there from the OEM aero wheel covers. So luckily, our new spiral wheel covers from EVBASE will cover that up. So let's go ahead and put them on. All right, so putting on the new spiral wheel covers should be just as easy as taking off the old OEM aero covers. The only thing that you really have to look out for is to make sure that the valve stem matches up with the hole here, so that way it can protrude through. So we'll just make sure to line that up, and then we'll just go ahead and start popping everything in. All right, there you have it. It is on there pretty solid. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. And I'll show a little close up that the spiral wheel covers, they actually cover all the way up to the lip of that rim, giving you that curb protection. So if you do get too close to a curb and you do kind of scratch your wheels, at least the OEM wheel underneath will be protected a little bit. So there it is. So as you can see there, the new wheel covers go all the way up to the edge of that wheel. And that is what the new spiral wheel covers look like on the front of the Model Y Juniper. So now that we have the front driver wheel cover on, let's go ahead and change the rest of the car, and then I will try to show you guys a little B-roll cinematic footage, if I can, of the car with the new wheel covers on there. All right, so there you guys have it. These are the new 19-inch spiral style wheels from EVBASE. So thank you to EVBASE for sending these out to me so that I can install them and show you guys. If you guys like this video, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content just like this. We have a lot of cool accessories coming in the next several weeks that I want to show you guys. So make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you guys are notified when those videos are released. As always, we will continue to bring you guys content as we learn more about the car, start to accessorize our car in the future, and just show you all the things that we love about our new Model Y Juniper. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.